In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font in Google Sheets. If you want every new cell to use a cleaner, more readable typeface, you don't need to format ranges by hand. Google Sheets lets you set a default with its theme settings. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the top right corner, look for the grid-shaped icon, the Google Apps Launcher, sometimes called the waffle, near your profile picture. Click it to open the menu of Google Apps. From that panel, choose Sheets. You'll land on the Google Sheets home. Open the spreadsheet you want to update. Once the document is on screen, we'll change its default font using the theme controls. At the top of the sheet, click the Format menu. This is in the main menu bar, not the toolbar with icons. In the Format menu, choose Theme. A panel will slide in on the right side of your screen showing the current theme. In that theme panel, click Customize. This reveals options that control the overall look of your spreadsheet, including the default font. Find the font setting. Here, Google Sheets offers a curated list of 6 fonts designed to work well in tables. Click through the options to preview them. As you select different fonts, your sheet updates live so you can quickly check spacing, readability, and how headers and numbers look. Because the preview is live, there's no separate Apply button for the font. What you choose here becomes the default typeface for the sheet's theme, so new cells and any content that follows the theme will immediately use it. When you're happy with the choice, click Done at the bottom of the theme panel. That closes the sidebar and saves your theme changes. A quick note. Cells you previously formatted manually might not change, since direct formatting overrides the theme. The theme font applies everywhere that hasn't been customized at the cell or range level. If you switch themes later, you can return to Customize to adjust the font again. And if you need a font that isn't in the list, you can set it for specific cells from the toolbar while keeping the theme font as your general default. That's all there is to it. Using the theme settings is the fastest, most consistent way to change the default font across a Google Sheets document. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting in Sheets today.